Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change file type or file extension in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. First, go to the Start button and click on it. In the search bar, type File Explorer option and open it. Once File Explorer opens, go to the top menu and click on View. Here, you will see different options and checkboxes. Look for the option called Hide Extensions for Known File Types. By default, this option is checked. Now you need to uncheck this option. After unchecking it, click on Apply and then click on OK. Now your file extensions will be visible. To understand this better, let's take an example. I create a new text file on my desktop and name it Muggies. Now you can see that it shows as Muggies.txt, which means it is a text file. Now if you want to change its file type, simply right-click on the file and click on Rename. Then remove the TXT extension and type a new one, for example, PNG. After that, press Enter. Windows will show a warning message. Just click Yes to confirm. Now you will see that the file type has changed. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.